I think it works well if we can. The best thing that we can help for our clients is advocating for them, allowing them to make a phone call, which may sound kind of silly, but if they don't have a cell phone or and they can't contact their doctor, they can't get their prescriptions reordered. So even simple things like that where they can connect and they can talk to the doctor. The doctor can either fax a prescription here or fax it to the pharmacy. And we can provide bus tickets or just transportation. I mean, it seems so simple, but for people who don't have transportation or money for transportation or access to a phone, those things make things run much more smoothly for them and decreases the stress of having to what are they going to do and how are they going to get it. And yeah, so I think that's probably in health, sort of the more formalized healthcare system, with family doctors and the other clients that we see here that aren't connected or join or belong to the Shelter Health Network.